Yo, what up? What up? Howdy! My name is Arnold Muñez and I am a MAPEH teacher. Proud MAPEH teacher. So today we were going to discuss about how to upload video lessons, your video lesson on YouTube. Of course, to your YouTube channel. Not with any other channel, but sa yung YouTube channel. Alright. So my background, don't worry about it. It's just, chroma keying. And I'm inside a barn. This is country. I'm wearing a country hat to cover my country horn. Something like that. Alright, so, yun. Assuming na meron lang po kayong video na ginawa. Ako kanina gumawa ko ng video. So, i-upload ko. So, instead of doing it alone, I should be doing it with you. Together we stand, divided we fall. At sabay-sabay natin i-upload yung video. So, without further ado, here we go. This is how you do it and this is how I do it. Alright. Yun. So, nandito po tayo sa desktop ko. Magulo yung desktop. Sige na nga. Alright. So, all you have to do is to open your tawag nito browser. Since naka-open na yung browser ko. At of course, click your YouTube channel and go to your channel. Mine is MAPEH teacher. Ako. And I already have 239 subscribers. Hindi pa to, mga dalawang, ano pa to, mga isang buwan? Hindi pa, parang hindi pa isang buwan yung ginawa ko yung channel. So, thank you for subscribing and keep on subscribing po yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Just hit the notification bell for you to be updated sa mga gagawin ko pang videos. Marami na pa akong videos, nakikita nyo yung mga lessons dyan. Yan. Ang dami. So, ngayon, gumawa ko kanina ng video for you and for the MAPEH teachers wants to know how to record. Do some editing, mastering, basic lang, basic. So, sige. So, yun, all you have to do is to click that sign there that says camera sign, I guess. All you have to do is to click that one. Dito mo i-click sa ating monitor. Click that one, then upload video. Yun, madali lang po yung paggawa mga kamapeh. Yun. Pupunta na po dyan. Ganyan. Tapos you have to click that select file. Then look for your video na ginawa. Meron pa akong ginawa kanina. So all I have to do is to look for it. Sa desktop ko inilagay dito. How to record VSFOC. Ang ganda ng VSFOC. Open it. Then, boom, pupunta dun. Yan. So, all you have to do is to edit yung title. How to record Visayan. Folk song. Ganito yan. Folk song. With a user. Using Adobe Audition. Ganyan. Just lagyan nyo yung description. So, maybe I guess video about how to record and edit. Visayan folk song. Visayan folk song for the MAPEH teachers. Yun lang. Teachers. Oh yeah. That's how you do it. Okay. And since it's starting to upload, all you have to do is to make use of time in editing your other stuff. So it says if your channel is already capable or enable enable to make custom thumbnails. Look for it sa ano nyo, sa settings kung pwede na, kasi pag bago pa yung channel hindi pa pwede. But this time I am already tawag nito, pwede na po ako maglagay ng custom thumbnail. So all you have to do is to click it and find the I already created two. What's wrong with my cable? Something is cracking something. Alright, bakit? Ano nangyayari? What is happening? Alright. So ito, all you have to do, maybe I guess this one or this one. So I'm actually thinking thrice. I'm confused. My dilemma is to choose between this and this, but I guess I have to go for this one. Then open it. There. Oh, I think I have to change it. Look, I better go for this one. Ganyan. Hindi ko na edit yan so I guess that's good. And I don't know, maybe I will just edit it later. So yun. Then you have to know if you want to have it with MAPEH grade video lessons sa mga playlist nyo or sa Arnold Country Music. So I guess MAPEH grade 8 video lessons, because this is a lesson for MAPEH grade 8. If not, click done, and you have to choose. You are asked if this video is for kids and if this is not. Now the big difference, what I noticed when I press no, it's not made for kids, you can actually go to video elements and you can do some edits in the video elements. But if you're going to use it, yes, it's made for kids, then you cannot, if your friends cannot comment, or if not your friends, people or the viewers will not be able to make comments sa video. So I don't like that. So I want to know what the audience are really up to when they saw my video. So I click no. Done. So yan. Then you can proceed to video elements. And since the video element is not done yet, you are still uploading, and you cannot do. You can only do nothing. Then you go to number 3. So if this is public, you want to publish it publicly or not, you can choose there. You want to schedule you can use that one. Then go back to your details. Then if you want to do more options, you can press that one, because you need to have the tags. Tags are very important. So you can have this one, MAPEH. Then you click comma so that you can write another tag. Deped if you want to. What else? Music teacher if you want to. I'll go for, if you want to find MAPEH teacher ako, you can do that actually. So new normal. There you can write. Actually, you have 500 what do you call this one, characters. So this is the video link that's going to show up sa mga nyo sa dito sa browser or sa dito sa ibaba sa taas. I forgot what's the name of that. I'm not that techy, So kung wala ka namang tawag nito, wala ka namang promotions, you don't have to touch any of this. Don't do any thing about this. Okay. And what's this? Oh, you don't have your captions, so you don't have your subtitles, so don't mess up with that. Then ito, wala na to. Recording date today. Come on, I did it today. Video location, you don't have to do that. License distribution, because this is what I'm doing right now is truly original. So the category is education, because you're in education, and of course standard YouTube licensing. So you cannot copy what I'm doing, because this is all licensed. Wala kang violate na copyright. Wala namang license yung kinanta ko, so you can do that. What I'm using right now, the background that I'm using is actually a free music, so no copyright infringement or whatever. So all you just have to do is to wait for the upload. You still have 7 minutes left. Ayun, it's already processed and ready to view. Let's try. Ano ba? Ayun, dito. Tingnan natin kung ayun. See? You can use this one or this one. Either two would be just fine. So just click this element here. So, nakalagay dito most recent upload ba? Ang malagay mo dito, ito na yung channel mo. Kumbaga, link ng channel. So, yeah, most recent video would be fine. So, just click save. Guys, ano ko? Ayun. So, cards, you can do that if you want to. Dito mag-add card ka lang. Video please, or channel. Alright, hello, my name is Arnold Muñez and I'm a MAPEH teacher. Today let's try, playlist. Create card, something. So introduce your playlist URL. Because my playlist na ko is pwede mo na i-cancel. Alright. And blue box here. Dito. Ayan. So we are public already, meaning you can actually do so much about your, and just click it. And you can do what you want. See, it's really public. No use. Yeah. So with that, you can actually share this video to your Facebook. Let's say, okay, share it to your Facebook. Let's say, or I just have to log it to your Facebook. Tingnan mo natin dito. Alright. Log it sa Facebook. Yan. Good. So this you can have it in your story, or you can share it as a page na you manage. Yeah. Share this to the page you manage, and I have so many pages. All I have to do is to look for MAPEH teacher ako, that one, and say something. Let's say here. Oh, come on. Here is here is a video tutorial about basic recording using Adobe Audition. Is a video tutorial about basic recording using Adobe Audition. Edition for MAPEH teachers. Yan. You can also write here, tawag nito, some, ano na, please, tawag ito, please subscribe and click notification bell for updates of my new videos, uploaded videos, new video uploads. Ganyan lang. Thank you. Ito. Thank you and more power. More power. More power. Basically, ganun lang. Tapos just post it. And you can have it in Twitter. Share Twitter if you want to. Just tweet. Ganyan. Then, yeah, click that out. So, sa blog mo, if you have one, just click it right away and publish, post. Yan. So, you can if yung blog nito may here's my blog. Life 40 after. Ganyan. So, dami ko na dito. Sa mga vlogs. Pwede mo na lagyan ng ads. It's another thing. Okay. Then, if may Reddit ka, you can do that. Okay. So, yun. Basically, yun. So, this is how you do it. How you upload video lesson on YouTube. Video matagal na kasi mahina yung internet natin. But anyways, there you have it. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my video updates na i-upload ko. Once again, this is Arnold Muñez, your MAPEH teacher. Peace out. Howdy. Yan.